is John with Flat 6 Motorsports, and we have a really special opportunity today. So we came into BGB Motorsports here in Ormond Beach, Florida. They are currently putting a 4.2 liter engine in my 718 Club Sport MR. So we're just checking on that. They're gonna put it on the dyno today. But had an opportunity. John, the owner, has built this very unique Cayman. So this car started its life as a 981 GTS. It has a very special motor in it. So BGB has specialized in motor swaps on Caymans for a long time, starting with the 987 and the 981. They did 3.8 conversions, build motors up to the 4.2. And this one actually has an OEM motor from a 991.2 Turbo S. So I think it's making about 650 horsepower or so. It's got the Club Sport suspension on it, Club Sport brakes, with a kind of more street-friendly pad on it. So it should be able to handle the power pretty well. Let's just get around the corner here and get into it. Wow. Yeah. This is quite a crazy vehicle. So you have 911 turbo power. It's a little bit more than stock, but pretty similar to stock, and really good response. You'd think it might overwhelm the chassis, but it really doesn't. Frankly, I thought coming out, you know, the rear end would get a little loose or wild, but it's very confidence inspiring. Under braking, you can kind of feel the back dance a little bit under heavy braking, but I love the response out of corners. The VTGs just work really well. This is a really cool car. Tons of torque. Very responsive. I think the two takeaways I feel from this, just kind of a short little review video while we're here, is it doesn't really overwhelm the chassis. I think under heavy braking, you kind of feel the back end move around a little bit more. Nothing crazy, but something to be mindful of. I'd say the power actually feels pretty natural. So the power doesn't really overwhelm the chassis, which is really nice. It's probably at that limit of where you could definitely have more if you're, gonna street race this thing or something. But on the track, actually, I would think this thing is pretty damn fast, and it's very responsive, has a lot more power than the NA motor, and yeah, it makes all kinds of crazy noises. It's definitely probably one of the most extreme Caymans I've been in. We have a couple extreme ones ourselves, and yeah, this is really cool stuff. So if you're interested in having a completely insane Cayman and you want a twin turbo platform, it's really nice how this is packaged, integrated in, pretty OEM-like. Obviously with the Club Sport suspension, it's a little bit louder. Obviously you can set it up any way you'd like, but BGB Motorsports, they have this package essentially ready for Cayman owners who are looking to kind of have something faster than a 911 turbo mid-engine. On paper it's super cool, and the execution of it is very good. This car isn't crazy. I thought it would be a little bit more wild, but if you're a decent, experienced driver, this thing will feel right at home. It's not too edgy, not too crazy. It just kind of does the things you want it to do in a way that, Porsche never gave us. So props to BGB for building this and the opportunity to drive it. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, definitely check us out on the internet at flat6.com, and we'll see you in the next one.